So I'm Tesla BGC, and I want to feature Optimus. This is Optimus and Tesla on his chest. So who is Optimus? He's a robot. He's a helper or worker for Tesla as far as I know. Human-sized robot. Even taller than average human. Optimus. Who is he?